OMG, we will be trying out today for the first time ever the Fenty Beauty glosses. So the holiday collection that came out a while ago, and I am so excited to try this. So if ever you want to know my opinion on this little bundle, if it is worth it, if the colors are nice, if the formula is nice, then continue watching because we will talk all about this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into it right away. Oh my god, I am so excited for this product in particular because, like I said, like a lot of times before, I wanted to go into the gloss world, and I thought it was a great opportunity to try the formula that Fenty Beauty has, just because apparently it's really a nice formula. So of course I didn't want to only try one color in particular, so that's why I bought this little bundle right here, which has 5 different colors, including one of the best selling shades of this glosses, which is Possy. Fussy, yeah, Fussy. And then there's 4 other shades, a pink, a nude, a little clear one, a brown one, and an orange one. So of course I'm gonna be showing you swatches and everything. I will show you with and without the light what it truly looks like, and of course all the time I will be talking about price, I will be talking about the formula, if it's sticky, if it does like weird things in between my mouth. So we will jump right into it. First of all, I want to talk about the packaging. This packaging is stunning. I love everything that shines. I love a good packaging. So I do think that it's nice that it comes in a nice little package like this. Of course, when you open it up, it has a nice little box that comes with it. I think you can remove the foam that's in it, and then you have the 5 shades that are incredibly nice. You can keep the little metal thing. It's reusable, of course, it's metal. That's what I like about this box in particular. So inside this packaging, like I said, there's 5 different lip glosses. So there is Mini Gloss Balm Collection, Glossy Posse. It is 5 times 5.5 milliliters. So it is 5 times 0.18 fluid ounces. And this product, so it retails for $56 in total for 5 different lip glosses. So each mini version is 11.2. So $11.20 each. And that's before taxes, because, you know, taxes differ from province that you're in, of course. I live in a province which has the most taxes. Thank you so much. But yes, the prices are in Canadians, if you were wondering. Everything is in Canadian when I'm talking right now. So a regular Fenty Beauty lip gloss, regular size, would be $25 for 9 milliliters. So this is a way better deal because you have a little bit more than half. Yeah, a little bit more than half, and then it is $11.20. So it's way cheaper than if you were buying individual big packages. So I think this is a great deal if you want to try a lot of shades and you save a little bit of money at the same time. So, and then of course we will get into the ingredients, and that's why I went to get my nice little iPad, which I like to go in the ingredients. So what it is exactly, it is an ultimate gotta have lip gloss with explosive shine, which we will try, and that feels as good as it looks. There's shea butter that conditions the skin, which is nice because lips are always dry. There's no parabens, no phthalates, and this product is also cruelty-free, but it is not saying that it's vegan. Of course, I overline my lips a little bit with lip liner because I want my lips to look bigger. So I want to see if it looks good with lip liner. Of course, it would look good on its own, but we have to try the best that we can. So I am looking at these shades, and I'm excited. Oh my god. So we are all up close. Of course, if you want to know about this makeup look, I did a live on it. You can go check it out on my YouTube channel. It's going to be listed down below if you want to go check it out. But we are now talking about these lip glosses, which I am going to get them out. And they look absolutely stunning. I love the packaging. I think it's very cute, very nice. And these colors look absolutely amazing, like amazing. So they are really stuck in there, and I'm gonna have to clean them because the packaging is very easy to dirty. All right, so I have all 5 shades in my hands. I like the cute small packaging. I think it's like easier to carry, and I feel like the packaging itself is very cute. It's like her signature hexagonal thingy there. There's always a symbol of Fenty Beauty, so we will jump right into it because we have nothing really to say. The formula has to speak by itself. So I think I'm gonna go with the best selling shade first because a lot of people saw it already. So this shade is called Possy, and I think it's like the same color as my lips, literally. Like this is my perfect shade. If it would be a lip gloss, it would be that shade for me. I will open it for sure and smell it for the first time. Ooh, I like the doe foot applicator. I think it's very big and it has such a yummy smell. I hope it's not too strong because it's still kind of a strong smell and I wouldn't want it to be too strong. You know what I mean? Like sometimes it's too strong and you can still smell it during the day. So hopefully this will not happen. So I'm going to show you the doe foot applicator, what it looks like. So as I can say first, the gloss has a nice shine to it. It's very, very pretty. When you apply it, of course you can see there's a little bit of glitter in the lips. But when you apply it on the lips, these glitters that are in the bottles, you can't really see them anymore. So I'm just going to close off some beauty lights and take my camera, my phone, and my flashlight and show you the lips up close what it looks like. Because I want to do this for each lip. I want you to see what it's going to look like if you go out or if there's any particular lighting on your lips. So, and you know, like it's very comfortable. I feel like it's moisturizing my lips. It's not too slippery. Of course, there's a little bit of a when it does, but that happens a lot. When whatever lip gloss you're gonna have, if you put too much where the end of your lip is, it's gonna do this. So just avoid this and you're gonna be fine. So let's close off the light. So that was the shade called Possy. Now I'm gonna remove it and then we will pass to the next shade. Right, so another thing that I noticed when I remove the gloss is that the shimmers that are actually in the gloss, they appear more when the formula dries down. So I kind of removed everything, but I just want to say this, they're going to be actually there more when you remove or when it dries down a little bit. So don't put too much of the gloss. If you put too much, it's going to disappear. So the next shade that I was really intrigued by is this beautiful shade, which is called Confetti. It looks like there's confetti on it, which is so amazing. And I thought that the color was so beautiful. There's blue, purple, pink, gold reflex in it, and it's very clear. So I hope that these shimmers, you're gonna be able to see them because they are so pretty. And let's pass to this shade now. Ooh, same smell. One swipe, and this one has a little bit more of a slide to it. So the one thing I recommend is maybe removing it close to your mouth, but this color is so juicy. Oh my god. I think that the glosses overall, they're very hydrating, and this one I like because it's like, oh my god, I can go to a festival. That's the vibes that I'm getting from the shade Confetti, which I'm gonna remove and we'll pass to the next shade again because I really want to do all the swatches. There's literally always a little bit of glitter left. I don't know if you see it, but it's very funny. The next shade, I thought staying in the nudes, I think it would be a great idea to take the shade Hot Chocolit, which is written chocolate, but with L-I-T at the end. This brown color is so pretty. It's a deep brown with some gold and pink sparkles in it. So let's apply it. It's gonna be super pretty. This color looks a little dark on me for a gloss, but it does give a nice little color to it. You can see the little glitters. If you look up close, it's very pretty. And if you want more of a dark type of moment with brown, this is the perfect color. And of course, it will fit literally anybody, even though you have like, if you're pale like me, it will still fit you. They are clear and it doesn't come too dark on my lips. Like maybe with a more like softer eye look, this would look perfect. But I think this eye look doesn't fit with the gloss, so that's why I'm like, maybe not. All right, so I am kind of scared for the two next shades because they are very bright, which I'm usually more of a neutral girl or a matte type of girl, so this is going to be very interesting. And I think I'm going to go into the shade Pretty Please, which is that bright pink. And the sparkles are like silver. They're very, very nice. It's pink with silver sparkles in it. It looks very pretty. So we're gonna apply it to the lips and see what's the effect and if the color payoff is nice. I think this gloss really fits the most with my eye look of today. I don't know. We will of course see it with the last shade, because this one, I'm telling you, this pink one is literally one of my favorites. I'm gonna tell you what's my favorites and everything that I think after at the end of the swatches. Of course, what I think of the formula, how it feels on the lips, and everything in between. So let's get me removing the shade, and then we will get to the last shade, which is called Cheeky. Excuse the glitter on my lips because there's literally everything that's staying. And we will go into the shade Cheeky, which is that fiery orangey type of look, which I don't really use orangey colors usually, but I think it's gonna look very pretty with my eyes, which they are blue and green. So I like the fact that there's some yellow, gold, orangey type of glitters in it. I think there's a little bit of pink too in it. This look absolutely stunning. I really love this shade. It's like, to the eye, you just want to grab it and leave with it. Like, you just want to keep it on your vanity because it's so pretty. All right, so that is all the swatches that I had to offer in today's video. I only had 5 colors, as you can see, and I decided to keep the shade Cheeky on my lips, which looks absolutely stunning. I didn't think, like, I can't stop looking at my lips. I wouldn't think that the orange would fit me, but I think this one is my favorite shade of them all. If I want to have something more spicy, something very, very nice, I think this shade is my favorite one. So the shade Cheeky is my favorite one. This orange, it doesn't look that orange. You know, in the bottle it looks very orange, but then it goes on the lips, and it really goes on your lips, and it, how can I say this? It fuses with the color of your lips. So I think no matter what the color you have on your lips, it's gonna look absolutely beautiful. So even with my skin tone, I'm like, girl, this color is amazing. The color payoff is nice. It's not opaque. It's not like the color that you would have in the bottle, of course, but it still leaves like a little sheen, a little shine. And then you have little glitters when the golden hour goes onto your lips, and it looks absolutely stunning. So this Cheeky shade is my favorite one, and I think for a more neutral look, I would definitely go into the shade Fussy, this one right here, the best selling shade. And then after that, I think I would go into the shade Pretty Please, so the pink one. Then I would certainly go into the shade Confetti, and the last shade, I liked it, but to me, it didn't fit as much as I would like it to on my skin. Maybe it's because of the eye look, or maybe it wasn't my mood today, but this one is Hot Chocolate, is my least favorite of them all. So that is my shade all in order. So let's talk about the formula, how heavy it is on the lips. So I do think that there's a certain heaviness on the lips. You can still feel it on your lips. But it is very, very hydrating. So it really hugs all the curves of your lips. That is one thing that I can say. The only thing is, if you don't like these little strings, when you put a lot of gloss, you won't like this product. Of course, if you don't put it all the way to the bottom, which is one of my tricks that I do, is I don't put it all the way under. You put less where the teeth are, which is a trick that you should do all the time with any type of gloss. And other than that, the formula is really, really nice, very shiny, very extra, and it doesn't move as much. Like, it's not slippery or anything, so it feels very good. And for the price, I think if you're wearing it all the time and you really, really love the gloss by itself, it's a good price. Of course, it's more on the steepier side. Like I said, it is $25 for the full version, which is, you're like, oh my god, this is crazy. But literally, I only needed one dip from this bottle to cover my entire lips. And of course, I had some left. Like, I could have put less on my lips. Like this applicator is generous, and I like the fact that it is a big doe foam applicator, even though it is in a mini version, because sometimes it can be very difficult to use a mini applicator. So using the same applicator as the full version is a great idea. What do I think of these lip glosses? So overall, I think, looking at it in the mirror with the 10x mirror, I like it. It's very nice. It's very gentle. It does smooth out the lips as it was supposed to do. It is moisturizing as it is supposed to do. But if your lips are too dry, like very, very dry, the color might seep in through, like into the lines, the fine lines of your lips. So that's one thing with especially this color, is the orange color, like the pigment will go into your lines, so it might accentuate the lines that you have. It didn't do that much with the other colors, but this one does that a little bit, so you have to be careful with the Cheeky. Overall, I really like it. I am so happy with this gloss. I feel like I can go anywhere and I can wear any look. I can just wear this on itself and just leave the house for groceries. But that's what it is. So I really recommend this product. I think it is a good product. My first impression is the packaging is awesome, as always. Even though it's my first product from Fenty Beauty, I do think that their packaging is incredibly nice. It's simple but yet elegant and very innovative. So I really like it, so I highly recommend it. Tell me down below if you have any of the Fenty Beauty glosses, if you have any of Fenty Beauty products in general as well. So tell me if you like the colors, which color was your favorite on me. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday. And again, if you don't want to miss any video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every single time that I post a video, even when I do my lives on the weekend. So I really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.